Santa, Santa, baby, please won't you...
Hey guys, welcome back. It's been so long since I've done a voiceover and it feels really weird. Anyways, this is my Cranberry makeup tutorial for you guys. I think it's really good for a fun holiday party, and it's all drugstore, so it's super affordable and really easy to achieve. I started by priming my face using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Glow Lock Primer. It's super illuminating and also feels really moisturizing. I actually really like this. Then I went in with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the shade 125. This is really good. It's actually, for me, not super matte, so I can get away with it. I actually really like the way this foundation works. Then, of course, you guys know already, I'm gonna conceal using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15. This is my Ride or Die concealer. I love it so much, and I always just blend it out with a beauty blender. Sorry guys, the brushes and tools are not drugstore just because I don't actually have any drugstore tools. Weird. Anyways, moving on, I set my under eyes with the famous Airspun powder. This stuff is no joke. You really don't need a lot of it. It really gets the job done. Then I did my brows with the CoverGirl Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. Then I went in with the Maybelline Burgundy Bar. I thought this palette would be really good for like a really cranberry look, and I went in with the lightest matte shade in the palette and put it all in my crease area and focused it more towards the upper crease on the brow bone, but I did add a lot of it onto the outer corner as well. Then I went in with the deepest shade in the palette, and I took a little bit more of a flatter brush, a little bit more precise, and I put this in my crease area and on the outer corner. Of course, I went in and blended those shades out, and I started kind of winging it out just a little bit. Then I took that shiny cranberry shade and put this all over the lid space. The shade is so cute. I was like, damn, Maybelline, kicking it up. I actually never used this palette before, but I really liked it. Then I blended that cranberry shade into the mattes and went in with the lightest shimmer in the palette and just stuck a little bit with my finger on the center of my lid and then quickly just blended that in so that it was kind of like just a little shimmery pop in the center of something lighter to give the eye a little bit more of a dimension and a pop. Next, I went in with that dark shade again on a smaller brush and put this on my entire lower lash line all the way into the tear duct and then blended it out with a really small brush. Then I went in with some black eyeliner. Dude, I don't know where this black eyeliner is from, but I just smudged that out and put it on my upper and lower. For lashes, I used the Eylure Luxe Silk Lashes. These were intense, dude, so you better be going out. Just kidding, you can wear these whenever, but they were intense. Then I just contoured and bronzed with the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Powder and put on this really cute Milani blush that has a little bit of gold in it. For highlighter, I went in with the Pixi by Petra Glossy Glossame Duo in the shade Delicate Dew. These highlighters are intense. They're so good. I highly recommend. Then for lipstick, I'm really disappointed about this because I meant to bring another one, but I think I lost it in transit. But anyways, I went in with the Morphe Lip Crayon in the shade Parlez-Vous. It's really cute, but it wasn't dark enough for me, so I wound up using the same black eyeliner that I used in my eyes on the corners of my lips and then blended it in to make it just darker, kind of like a lip ombre. It wound up working in the end, thank God. Then I went in with the Milani Make It Dewy setting spray, and this actually does make your face really dewy, so if you have oily skin, beware, but for me it worked out really well. And that's the whole look, you guys. I hope you like it. I think it's really fun and super intense and just like kind of like romantic too. Like, I don't know, imagine yourself at a holiday party just like, ooh, you know? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video, which will be soon. Bye!